morning, students, and thank you in our YouTube lesson. I am B.D. Bhagat to teach you math and the chapter mensuration. There is a question, it is a long question, but don't forget, there is a racing track, means a track in which somebody used to run. So this is called for race. This is called racing track. And the question is, the inner perimeter of a racing track is 400. Inner perimeter means this whole length. It's called perimeter, inner perimeter. So the inner perimeter of the track is 400 meters, and the 400 meter and outer perimeter. Outer perimeter means this one is outer portion, this line. So this length of whole line, including straight portion and curved portion, is 488 meter. So inner perimeter and outer perimeter are given. Inner perimeter 400 meter and outer perimeter 488 meter, and length of each straight portion. You see, there are two straight portion. This portion and this portion is covered with straight line. So this is called straight portion. And the length of straight portion from here to here, here to here, here to here, and here to here. But length of each straight portion is 90 meter. So find the cost of developing the track at the rate of rupees 20.50 meter square. So for this cost, we have to find first the total area of the track. So after finding the total area of the track, we can do all these things. So since I am starting, be careful. This is long question, but not hard question. Solution. The inner perimeter is equal to 400 meter. Indicates meter, the inner perimeter, and the length of each straight portion. Length of each straight portion means from here to here is equal to 90 meter. 90 meter. Therefore, total length of two inner curved portion means length of this portion plus length of this portion. Therefore, total length. Therefore, total length of two inner straight portion is equal to, means I have to say length from here to here and also length from here to here. There are two straight inner portion is equal to 2 into 90 is equal to 180 meter. Right? So 180 meter. Therefore, total length of semicircular inner portion. Therefore, total length of two inner semicircular portion means line is equal to 400 minus straight portion 180. So it is equal to 220 meter. Means length of this portion and this portion is 180 meter. So if we deduct the length of these two straight portion from the perimeter of inner portion, then we will get the length of two curved portion, inner curved portion, that is 220 meter. And you know, if we join curved portions are in the form of a semicircle. So if you join two curved portions which are in the form of semicircle, then it will become a circle. On adding these two inner circular portion, adding these two semicircular, it is in the form of semicircular portion, it will become a circle. Therefore, perimeter of the circle, perimeter means circumference, that is circumference. Of the circle, you know the formula 2 pi r. Circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. Circumference of the circle is according to formula 2 pi r. But circumference is given 220. Therefore, we shall write 2 pi r is equal to 220. Because using the formula, we find the circumference of the circle, which is 2 pi r. but circumference of the circle is given. This is 220, therefore 2 pi r is equal to 220. Or therefore r is equal to 220 by 2 pi is equal to 220 by 2 into pi means 22 by 7, here 7 by 22 reverse. So this will be after doing calculation is equal to 35 meter. So we find the circle sum of two semicircular portion means two semicircle. If you include two semicircle, it will become a circle. So we have find in this way the radius of the semicircle. Now this is long portion, no matter, but not hard portion. Similarly, circumference of two outer semicircle means this curved portion and this curved portion, if you add the so similarly circumference of two outer semicircular portion of two semicircles, that is one complete circle outer circle is equal to same method. What shall we do? For 88, you know the circumference of the whole outer track is 488 minus you deduct the sum of this portion and this portion. So as we have done, this will be 180. So it will be 308 meter. 308 meter. Therefore, if you say the radius R1, then I write the formula 2 pi R1 is equal to 308. Therefore, R1 is equal to 308 by 2 pi, 308 by 2 into 7 by 27. If you 7 into 308 by 2 into 8. So after doing calculation, you will find 49 meter. 49 meter. Now what shall we do? Width of the track. For this, if this is the outer radius and this is the inner radius, if you deduct inner radius from the outer radius, you will get the width of the track. So, therefore, width of the track is equal to outer radius minus inner radius. It will be 48 minus 35, 40. Is equal to outer radius 49, inner radius 35. So 14 meter. Now, very easy. First of all, we find the area of the whole track. So again we have to draw the figure for betterment. So area of the circular portion. Again, I have told you this. If you include this semicircle and this semicircle, it will be a circle. Similarly, if you add this outer semicircle and this outer semicircle, it will be a circle. So, therefore, area of circular portion, I am again writing in full. Area of the circular portion, I am drawing another figure for we have done. We know that if we join this half semicircle and this half semicircle, this will be a circle in the outer space and inner space also. So we have to find the area of this portion plus area of this portion. If we add these two, we will get the area of circular portion. So what will be the area? You know the formula, pi r square, pi into r1 square. Since r1 is the radius of outer circle, so it will be equal to pi into 49 square minus pi into 14 square, because inner radius 14 meter, is equal to take pi and 49 square minus 14 square. For you can multiply 49 into 49, then 14 into 14, but it will be better. Pi a square minus b square, a plus b into minus b, use this formula. 49 plus 14 into 49 minus 14 is equal to pi. So it will be equal to it will be equal to 22 by 7 into 63 into 7 5 ja. So it will be equal to it will be equal to I've done another here. So it will be equal to 2 into 63 into 5. Area of the circular portion. I shall do the calculation after that. And the area of the two-state portion is equal to length into breadth. So breadth means width here of the road. So 19 90 into this width of the track, that is breadth 14. Area of 1. Multiply this with 2, you will get the total area. So it will be equal to 180 into 14 meter square. Now, therefore, now here at the end, therefore, whole area of the track, racing track, we add these two, means area of circular portion plus area of two-state portion. So it will be equal to 36. The calculation will come. You can do yourself calculation. So it will be 3696 plus 2520, because one value of two-state portion, if you multiply this, you will get one of these two value, and similarly if you multiply this, you will get one of two values. If you add these two values, you will get the whole area of the circular portion, that is 6216 meter square. So this is the area. Now, if we find the area, then it is easy to find the cost of developing. Therefore, cost of developing. Cost of developing. Total is equal to, in the question, as you know, the cost of developing for 1 meter square is equal to 12.50. So 1 मीटर स्क्वायर मीटर डेवलपिंग का खर्चा पड़ता है 12.50, लेकिन इतना स्क्वायर मीटर है इसलिए मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे 6216, it will be equal to, I have done my calculation, so it will be equal to rupees 76.70. So this will be the answer, and this question is also important because several times it is asked on the board. So I think one question is sufficient because this is a long question. Thank you for